No need to spend hours at the gym to have a firm and toned figure. Here is a selection of the best exercises for weight loss that are easy to do at home. Combine them and practice them 2 or 3 times a week in sportswear or even in pajamas, in the morning before taking to the shower. Do you have your period? There's nothing stopping you. With Always Radiant padded sanitary pads, you stay dry and comfortable during your workout. 1. Push-ups. The BABA of sports at home. Lie down with your toes or knees on the floor, hands just below your shoulders. Bend your elbows out to the side and lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor. Your arms should then form an angle of 45 degrees. Pause, then go back up. Do 3 sessions of 10 reps. 2. Squats. The best way to reshape this exercise is great for losing weight and building your buttocks, legs, abs, and back. Stand with your feet in line with your shoulders and your back straight. Bend your knees, they should never go past your toes. And lower your buttocks, as if to sit. Your body weight should stay on your heels. Once your thighs are parallel to the floor, slowly come up. Do 3 sets of 20 movements. Do you have back pain? Place your hands at the back of your head to force yourself to stay upright. 3. The plank. Lose weight and gain posture. The sheathing is the ideal bodybuilding exercise to lose weight in the stomach, but also to tone your arms. Start as if you are going to do push-ups with your hands below your shoulders. Stand on your tiptoes and squeeze abs and glutes to form a straight line. Try to tuck your navel in and be sure to keep your back straight. Start by holding the position for 20 seconds, then increase as you work out. 4. Dips. Work the arms. Place your hands on the edge of a chair or sofa and your legs in front of you. Lower your body to the ground, be careful not to block your elbows, then come up with the strength of your arms. Do 3 sessions of 10 reps, with a break in between. 5. Crunches. Concrete abs. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Lift the front of your body until you are seated. Place your hands on your temples and look straight ahead so you don't injure your neck. Do 3 repetitions of 10. 6. Lunges. Abdo, back and thighs. Stand up straight, shoulders back and chin up. Tighten your abs and take a big step forward with one leg, either forward or backward. Lower yourself until your knees are bent at 90 degrees. One close to the floor, the other in front of you, aligned with your ankle. Be sure to keep your body weight on your heels as you come back up, then switch legs. Do 10 reps of each leg, a break, then 2 more sets of 10. 7. The side plank. Lose weight and draw the obliques. This variant of the plank is also an excellent exercise to lose weight because it stimulates the deep muscles of the belly. The obliques. Lie on your side with your legs on top of each other. Lift yourself off the ground using your arm and elbow. You can make the exercise even more difficult by raising the other arm at a right angle above your head. Keep your glutes tight and your body aligned. Try to hold for 20 seconds on each side, then gradually increase the core time as you work out. 8. The bridge. This exercise helps to build the buttocks, strengthen the abdominals, but also to work the back muscles. Lie on your back, hands at your sides, knees bent and feet on the floor, shoulder width apart. Push into your heels to lift your hips. Contract your abs and buttocks to hold on high. Go down slowly. You can increase the difficulty level by lifting one leg at the same time as the rest of the body. Do 10 repetitions of each leg 3 times. 9. Side lunges. Lose weight, but keep a pretty butt. Standing, put your left leg behind you so that your thighs cross as if you were doing a curtsy. Keep your front knee aligned with your ankle. Return to the starting position, then switch sides. Do 10 repetitions on each side, a break, then repeat twice. Please share, like, comment and